All right, what's up, you guys? This isn't car related, but I'm excited. This is my first PC by SkyTech Gaming, and I wanted to show you guys. I got the Shiva gaming computer coming with an i7 processor and a 3060 graphics card with 1 terabyte SSD and 16 gigabytes of memory. I'm gonna be honest with you, I really don't know what any of these mean, other than the i7's decent and the graphics card's pretty good too. But hopefully with this, I'll start streaming soon eventually, and you guys can see me play. So let's go ahead and get right on into this unboxing. Cool. I don't think I got the fancy one that's gonna have all the changing colors with the RGB lights, I want to say, but that's fine because I don't really care about the glowing lights and whatnot. And if so, then I can just upgrade later, because like I said, I don't know much about PCs, so I'm hoping to learn off of this, and this is gonna be like my starter. Okay. Cool. We got a little folder in here giving us maintenance guide, but y'all don't want to see this. Let me put that to the side. And here, what the heck? I don't even know what this is. I'm gonna put this to the side as well. Let's see. I'm just gonna flip it over. Awesome. So it comes with a SkyTech gaming little keyboard, pretty cool. Oh. This is upside down. Let me get you guys a closer look. Okay, I had you guys a little bit zoomed in, but that's fine. This is what the front interface looks like. Let's find out what's in here. Comes with the power cord, zip ties, bracket, and some screws. I don't know what that's for though. And I want to say these are like some antenna receivers. Honestly, I don't even know. I'm about to look up the instructions on this. Sorry, I'm trying to record with one hand. I got it, and this is a mouse. Yes, it is. So it comes with a mouse as well, which is pretty nice, by SkyTech. Pretty cool mouse. Has 2 buttons on the side and CPI. Pretty cool. All right. I did get this from Best Buy, and it took about 3 days for it to ship. It said it was gonna be here Saturday, and today's Friday, so it came a little bit early, which is pretty cool. Honestly, don't know what I'm like supposed to show you or like what to do, but these look like screw offs. Yes, they do. Okay, so that came out easily. Yeah, this is a little bit of the interior. Like I said, I don't really know much. I think I took off the wrong side, but yeah, let's go to the other side real quick. All right, should be the same thing. Okay. Oh, bro, watch me break this on the first time opening it. Hopefully I didn't break that little thing. So it says, stop, please follow the instructions. we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna take this foam piece out carefully so I don't break anything. Give me a second, guys. Pretty cool. All right, now this is the side you guys wanted to see, I believe. Grab you guys real quick. Here we go. I think this is the GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card that we were talking about. And I don't know, the motherboard, this back piece I want to say, I don't know anything about that. Comes with 2 fans, which is pretty cool, or 3, I guess. Yeah, if you guys know more about PCs than me, let me know. Educate me, because I obviously don't know anything. So it looks like 2 empty slots here. I don't know what those are for. Probably for more memory, I'm assuming. Pretty spacious. And yeah, let me put this back on. I'm gonna use 2 hands for this, so I'm gonna pause myself. All right, so I took off this plate and that foam thing. So now it's a clear, kind of like tinted glass. Let's open up this keyboard. See how this one looks. Very nice, very nice. I like it. Has the keyboard clicking sound for you ASMR guys and gals. Pretty cool. It does say, I think these light up, to be honest. Where's it at? Yeah, so it features rainbow backlight, anti-ghosting. I don't even know what that means, to be honest with you. Fixed rubber dome, durable, detachable WASD arrows. That's pretty cool. Metal bottom case. I got this from Best Buy for, I believe, $1,400. It's not bad. I honestly, like I said, I don't know much, so it's gonna be a learning experience. I'm gonna play some Fortnite, some PUBG perhaps, and I want to get into Valorant. Valorant's a new game that I've started watching some people play. And don't worry, I'm not gonna use my gaming desk simply for the mouse pad or whatever, because I heard that was bad for the mouse. So I bought myself a new desk mouse pad. You guys are not gonna believe what it is. Hold on. It's kind of hard doing one hand. Oh. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna pause again and bring you guys right there. Let's pop it open. Dang, this thing's pretty huge. Give you guys a closer look. This is gonna sit somewhere right around there. And then the mouse somewhere over here. That's pretty big, to be honest. I didn't think it was gonna be this, like, this length, but I kind of like it. If you guys don't know, she's a Hashira from the Demon Slayer. She's pretty cool. I got it because the night sky, the blues and the pinks, it just looks calm, relaxing, and with the big moon, obviously, she's cool. I like her. So yeah, this is pretty cool. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos on this, or if you guys want to find out or figure out some more stuff on this, or if you guys want to game with me, I'm down for that too, because I need new friends for PC gaming. Yeah, so this is my little SkyTech unboxing on the Shiva gaming. I'm gonna leave this real quick right here, so you guys, if you guys want to buy the same one, here it is, the product number, and you know what comes in it. I heard the RTX or the 3060 gaming card's kind of hard to come by right now, so I mean, it's pretty cool that I got it within, like, already a pre-built. So yeah, expect more videos to come out on these, or just me streaming, and you guys can follow me on my Twitch that I'm gonna make soon. Peace.